I do watch them from time to time, though. I do watch your videos from time to time.
Really?
Yeah. Not all the time.
You guys are absolutely gonna love this video. This video comes to you from Lady Justice Liberty Press's channel. You definitely want to go subscribe. I'll put the link in the description and in the pinned comment. The guy talking is Press On, and this guy has some of the best verbiage that I've ever heard out there during a cop watch. This video is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. I'm also gonna drop a link to a channel called The People's School where we can all learn to speak like this man. Without further ado, here's your video, folks. Make sure to go subscribe.
Maybe I'll subscribe. Who knows?
It doesn't bother me one way or the other.
And people, I believe you have a channel as well. Maybe I'll click the subscribe button on your channel too.
Maybe, but
Maybe.
yeah.
I don't know. We'll see.
I think they're already watching. I think they're already watching. Piggy porn. Yes, that's what it is.
Where
Piggy
did you
porn.
come up with that name?
Because everybody likes seeing their fellow coworkers get in trouble for the stupid bullshit that they do that they never get in trouble for, that you can't complain about as fellow employees. But they like seeing them get in trouble.
Yeah.
Those stupid employees that don't do anything, that don't know shit, that still get fired.
We've all got them.
Right? So it's called piggy porn.
Do you have that where you work, people?
Well, I'm one of the people. The people can't...
Do you have a job?
Yeah, I press on.
Yeah, that's Press On 24/7. 365.
Maybe you guys have noticed.
Amble.
Do you go to a job?
I'm here right now, aren't I? Pressing
This
on
is your
you?
job?
I always press on.
He's a videographer.
24/7, I'm pressing
Or a
on.
blogger. I don't know what the
harder,
buzzword is nowadays.
No, I'm one of the people, so you
One of the
trying
people.
to change me into something that I do.
That you're talking commerce there. You're talking commerce.
Camera person.
People don't do engage in commerce.
You guys have real issues with the Constitution of the United States.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
You take a crash course.
It doesn't
Take
say
a crash.
the videographer. Get it straight, all right? The people have the rights in this country.
Yeah.
Sure. Totally respect that.
Obviously,
I actually served in the military
Convert me into something that
where I swore an oath. Did you know that? People?
Oh, of course.
Dudley?
Oh, yes.
What branch did I serve in?
I would hope.
No, I know that you swore. I knew you swore an oath. You have to. No, you have to swear an oath in order to wear your uniform.
Oh no, they don't do that.
They don't have to swear an oath.
They don't really mean it. They have their fingers behind.
Yes.
Well,
when you go to court and testify, you do swear an oath.
No, but you swear an oath in order to serve as a police officer. Yes. See, that is why you are a person 24/7, and he's a people.
I think we are all egalitarians.
If you were in the military, you should know that you didn't have rights when you were in the military.
What do you think? Think so?
I'm one of the people. I'm not what I believe. But you're having real issues with
think
that.
we're egalitarians?
I'm one of the people too.
Yeah.
No, you're not. You're a servant of the people.
I'm a servant of the
Don't
people.
try and have rights and privileges.
You cannot privilege in person at the same time, or people at the same time.
You're at the 10th Amendment. The people are at the top. The 9
That's a person thing.
We the people.
That's a person
The
thing.
Constitution is a contract between the people and their government. I am protected by the provisions entitled to me in the Constitution of the United States of America.
Yeah, the 10th Amendment, the crumbs that the people left. You're
The
nowhere near
10th.
the First Amendment.
What does that have to do with guaranteeing rights to the states?
What it has to do is that you're not the people. You're a servant of the people. You get your power from the 10th Amendment, which is 9 amendments below the first, which is where I'm standing. You don't ever again try to put yourself on the same level as the people. While wearing that gun and that badge, walking around here with privilege, cashing your check every month or every week whenever you get it, you
It is
traded
nice to have a
your
job.
rights for privileges, and that's laudable if you get it through your head and stop thinking that you're the same. You're not the same. Okay, the people have the rights.
In the Declaration of Independence written by Thomas Jefferson and some of his friends, it wrote that all men are created equal.
That's right, he did say that, but the word men isn't in the Constitution, and that little theory of his didn't transfer over to the Constitution.
So you don't believe in the Declaration of Independence?
People are all equal, and as far as persons, they're all different, just like you have different privileges.
Do you
than
believe
this
that the United
officer
States
right here.
Constitution was drafted upon the principles guaranteed in the Declaration of Independence?
There's no principles guaranteed in the Declaration of Independence.
That's not
What it
true.
does tell you is that the people declare. right? Because Thomas Jefferson was one of the people, and he declared. See, presidents proclaim, but Thomas Jefferson declared, and that set a precedent as something people can do, such as forming, or establishing, or ordaining, right? You know, ensuring domestic tranquility, providing for the common defense, right? These are all things people can do, you see. But
that's why we established the government.
People cannot go and ask their government for a fucking paycheck, you moron. You're a servant of the people. The people would never go and ask
There's the vulgar you were talking
for
about.
their government. Yeah, it's vulgar because you're talking to one of the people. See, she's nice and respectful because she's a good citizen, and you guys you know, will harass and bully her and treat her like shit. But I'm one of the people, and you guys that I don't get off my hill, right?
Well, we're not just talking about just you two, sirs.
You're bothered by words.
Not just you guys.
I'm not bothered by words at all.
Right, but you continue to comment on it and try and use
right.
it
I made one comment on it, validating Officer Cole's statement.
And
neither of you are on the moral high ground.
I don't understand how we can have a constitutional conversation if you degrade down to personal
It's not
insults.
degrading down. It's up. You have to be at the First Amendment to use those words.
Semantics.
It's not going down to your level. You would have to go up to my level to be able to use them, which is why you can't.
that's why he's on the hill. That is why he is on the hill.
Never be able to do that.
You won't be able
No,
to do it.
you won't. You won't. You won't.
And go without food and water for 4 days and not give a fuck.
I'll never have to do that.
Starts a legend about John people dying.
No, because we got the thin blue line
right? So
buddy
you could
gang
never do
thing.
that because you're a weakling.
Yeah.
You're a coward that took the easy way out and is willing to commit extortion and kidnap people and citizens and on an everyday basis.
He's speaking about
for money. And now you want to
police
pipe in.
department or about
I'm
Officer
giving a
Ray?
speech right now, Cole, and you want to mess with the
confused.
First Amendment. You understand the power of the people. They will always be louder than you. One of the people is always louder than the entire Nampa
You're allowed to be as loud as you want with your First Amendment.
Exactly.
But my
I'm not
First Amendment
allowed.
says
I have
have
the
to
right.
listen.
You don't give me permission. I do it because I'm one of the people, and that's what people do. Right? Citizens group up in these large herds, and they go and they stampede and they riot, but the people don't do that. They stand on their hill just by themselves, and they are always louder. They always have more power. They never lose. They never give in. They never get off their hill.
So is every American citizen one of the people?
No.
Citizens are citizens.
So that's where you and I
people
have
are
a
people.
good.
The first law of logic. Why don't you read some fucking Aristotle? Why don't you
That's where
open
you
up
and
a
I will
book?
have a
The first
irreconcilable
law of
difference.
logic, the law of
They
identity.
do not know of any
day,
philosophy at all.
A people is a people is a people. All right, what you guys
A
are doing
plus
is
A plus A
illogical
is always going to be
fallacy.
A.
And it's known as equivocation. You both are equivocators. That's what you're doing, trying to turn a people into something else for your own bullshit reasons. Trying to justify and create distance between what you've done and what you took an oath to.
So long as you and I
They
can't
don't
agree
coincide.
that every American citizen is a part of the people, you and I
They
aren't
are
going
not
to be able
part
to agree on
of
any
the people.
constitutional premise.
American citizens are citizens, and people are people. And citizens
So the
have
Fourth Amendment
privileges.
says the right of the people to be secure in their person's houses, papers, and effects, etc.
Very good. So the
So
people,
the people
own
are
their
the only
person.
ones that have the Fourth Amendment guarantees.
Up until the
Wait,
eighth word.
don't- The people own their person in their person.
Up until the eighth word,
The eighth word is secure.
The
right
right
of
of
the
the
people
people.
to be secure in their THEIR.
and then
Ownership.
switches it back to citizens.
No, if you go in there, then you believe in ownership. If you see there, THEIR, in their persons, houses, papers, and effects.
Right.
The people don't believe in ownership. Did Jesus own? Did Gandhi own? Did Socrates own? Did Kunta Kinte own? Did Martin Luther King? Yeah, he owned. But he wasn't one of the people either, but he was righteous.
You don't think Martin Luther King was a part of the people guaranteed in the Constitution?
No, he was a
We, the people
citizen
of the
fighting
United
for
States of
civil
America.
rights. The people already had rights, didn't that? Wake up, man. Wake the fuck up. The people have the rights.
I just wish you could hear what you're saying.
I wish everybody's going to hear what I'm saying, man. You're on blast,
As long as
dude.
Officer Cole
On
hits
3
hit
courtrooms for
subscribe.
one fucking time, man.
Maybe. I don't know.
Get your head out of your ass, guys.
Our conversation keeps degrading to vulgar insults at each
It's
other.
going to. It's
I
going
can't have a
to
conversation.
until you
I
guys
can't-
drop the wall,
I can't have an intellectual conversation about the Constitution like that.
crack the shell,
The
man.
Constitution is one of my favorite conversations. The Declaration of Independence is hanging in my house.
Well, the Declaration of Independence is a beautiful document. It's more like a rant from a pissed off child yelling at his dad. And it's
You
a
and I are going to
run-on-
have to disagree on that one too.
No, I'm just saying it's a long run-on paragraph, just like, you know,
It isn't a paragraph.
he's like complaining to his dad, you know. But the thing is that it's not a binding document. Okay.
Bound the 13 colonies together into states.
No, it didn't. It didn't do that at all. It just at the time it was very important, and right now it's
Still is very important.
well only in what it did, but
More than that,
it's
set
not
the
doing
fabric for
anything
what
now.
America became and is.
It's not doing anything now, though.
It is. It's giving me guidance as to how I think this country should be run.
Oh well, you can think this country should be run anyway. You know, I mean, have the right to vote. See, the people don't vote; the citizens vote.
Do the people pay taxes?
No, only citizens
All right,
pay
there we go.
taxes because people aren't making income.
Now, you and I just had a rift in the conversation. If the people don't pay taxes,
Citizens pay taxes. Persons
I
pay
pay taxes. I
You're
pay-
a citizen.
Yeah, you're a citizen and a
I
person.
voted. I'm secure in my
Equal
person's license
citizens
papers
vote.
and effects. I have the right to
People don't
peaceably
vote.
assemble. I have the right to speak, and I have the right
No,
to
you
press.
don't.
I do.
How dare you with that uniform?
With that uniform
that your
on?
boss told you to wear with those pins, how they are supposed to be, with all those.
You don't have
SSPs.
freedom of
There are no
speech.
pins on my person right
How
now.
dare you.
Exposed.
You want to talk about an intellectual conversation while you're trying to claim that you have anything close to free speech. Okay, I'm showing you free speech, and you keep recognizing it and calling it vulgar. You know you can't compete with it. You can't repeat it.
If-
You can't do what
I
I'm
can't
doing.
compete with you people. I can't compete with you.
I wasn't contesting that your language is somehow
First
prohibited
Amendment
as
activity.
free
You
speech.
can't do it.
I was simply
Not
I was
prohibiting
simply
anything.
correcting you earlier when you said that you had been respectful towards the police
No, I'm
department.
showing you what
and
you
I'm
can't
pointing
do.
out a fallacy in that you have not been, sir.
Oh,
Okay.
I didn't say I've been respectful to the Nampa PD. I said that I've never protested Nampa PD like in
As an
general.
organization.
As an organization,
I'm fine with that.
I protest unlawful orders. I protest officers putting their hands on me.
That's
I,
fine.
I
That's all
protest
fine.
stupidity.
But I'm telling you right now, I'm
Yeah.
I'm acting as a government agent. But when I go home and
Absolutely.
take this off, and I'm a father, and I'm a husband, I'm a homeowner,
No,
I'm a
you're
taxpayer.
under oath.
You're still
All right.
under oath
I'm still under
24/7.
but I'm
You
still-
can't have
I'm
your
still a
cake and
person.
eat it too. You're under oath 24 hours a day.
No, I have a duty.
No.
24 hours a day.
That's not true. I disagree.
Well, you disagree. You're not under oath 24/7.
I'm not.
Oh.
I've said it from the beginning when I first started that I am only one of the people. I don't believe that I am anything special. I believe that everybody should be on the level of this man that was talking. But we aren't there yet. We're trying to learn. There's a lot of mistakes being made out there by police officers violating people's rights. One of the big reasons for that is because people don't know their rights. And law enforcement is not really law enforcement. They're out there enforcing feelings because they don't know the laws. Lady Justice has been a strong supporter of my work and many others as well for a long time until she finally picked up a camera and started recording as well. This is amazing, folks. Everybody picking up cameras and recording and asking questions, holding police accountable. Nobody taught us our rights at home. Nobody taught us our rights in churches. And the only place that we should have been really learning our rights in school, we weren't taught there either. And because of that, a channel has been created called the People's School. This is a place where we can all go and learn what our rights truly are and how to use them. Go subscribe to Lady Justice Liberty Press and also subscribe to People's School. I'll see you guys over there in the comment sections. Have a wonderful day.